In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post Reels in Meta Business Suite. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upload your video, write a strong caption, pick a thumbnail, and either publish, schedule, or save it for later. Make sure you're signed into the accounts that manage your Facebook page or Instagram profile so everything connects smoothly. Start by opening your browser and searching for Meta Business Suite. When the results appear, click the official Meta or Facebook business link. Look for the trusted domain and interface you recognize to avoid landing on the wrong page. If you prefer, you can also type the official Business Suite address directly into the address bar to get there faster. Once the site loads, log in using either your Facebook or Instagram credentials. Choose the option that matches the account you manage. If you handle multiple brands or pages, confirm you have the right permissions before moving on, and switch to the correct profile if needed. In the Business Suite, go to the left-hand menu and select Content. Use the platform filter to focus on Facebook or Instagram so you can review what's already live and confirm you're working in the right place. This quick check helps ensure you're about to post to the intended account. Next, click Create Reel. You'll see options to select your destinations. Choose the Facebook page and/or Instagram account where you want the reel to appear. If you're posting to both, double-check the toggles and make sure the content is appropriate for each audience. Click Add Video to upload your file from your computer. Pick your final edited clip. Vertical videos typically perform best for Reels, and a standard format like MP4 at 1080 by 1920 is ideal. Keep your file name clear so you can identify versions quickly. Now craft your caption. Lead with a strong first line that hooks viewers, then add concise context and a clear call to action. Include relevant hashtags to improve discoverability. Aim for a small set that truly reflects your topic rather than a long list. Then choose your thumbnail. You can select a suggested frame from the video or upload a custom image. Go for something high contrast and on-brand so it stands out in the feed. Click Next to decide how you want to proceed. Choose Publish Now to post immediately, Schedule to pick a future date and time, or Save as draft if you need approvals or plan to polish details later. Double-check the time zone before scheduling and review everything one last time to confirm accuracy. That's it. Your reel is ready to go using Meta Business Suite. Follow these steps each time for a consistent, efficient posting workflow.